Welcome to Excel for Work video 7, Sorting and Filtering Data like a Pro. If you go ahead and you open your workbook and you go to the worksheet at the bottom, Sorting and Filtering, that is where we'll be working today. Sorting and filtering helps you answer questions quickly, especially when you got large spreadsheets. Sorting rearranges your data. For example, it can give you highest to lowest. It can do sorting and put it alphabetically from A to Z, or you can reverse it and do it backwards. Filtering allows you to hide data temporarily. In other words, to filter out only what you want. You can filter by name, date, number ranges, or even specific values. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large spreadsheets. It's important to remember that you are not actually changing the data. You are just controlling what you see. So let's go ahead and take a look here on that worksheet. And we've got this in order already. So if you are on your home page, go across to your data tab, and you'll see just left of the middle, there is sort, and it says show the sort dialog box. We're going to go into that now. Next to it, it's got an A in blue and a Z in red, and below that, it's reversed around, and right next to it, you have filter. So let's go ahead and sort. So because this is already sorted in alphabetical order from oldest to newest, let's sort it from newest to oldest. So what we do is we click on the date column. You must click on the column of what you want to sort by. So we click on the date and we're going to go up here and click Z to A. And you can see it pops up and it says sort newest to oldest. Now we've got it on the newest date on top. All right. But now what happens to the actual data? Let's have a look. Let's choose 1st of June, 2026. We know it's a desk. We know it's under the category furniture. And we know it was 4,200. So let's click here and let's sort it by oldest to newest. Let's go look for it and see what happened. There it is, 1st of June, 2026. Desk, furniture, 4,200. So when you sort, it moves the entire row on what you're sorting as. Let me give you another example. Let's say we want to sort alphabetically by item. We go up, we select sort A to Z, sort the selection so that the lowest values are on the top of the column. You can see now it's sorted books, chair, desk, drawer, set. Let me just put that in there. Yours will be correct. And it goes down alphabetically. Let's go back to the 1st of June. Okay, it's still a desk, still furniture, 4,200. So no data has been mixed up. It is pulling and sorting and pulling the entire row into order, which is very important to understand. Let's just go back here. We're going to sort it A to Z by date. And now we're going to go on to a little bit more of an advanced sort. Nothing hectic. But if we go to the actual sort button, we can pull up the dialogs box and this will pop up. Now you can see here you can even add levels, delete levels, copy level, and options. It's very important that my data has headers. Remember back in one of the very early videos I spoke about headers. Each column must have a header. This is how Excel works, and yeah, it starts coming into play. So let's just go back here, and we're going to sort by, let's say we're going to sort by, let's sort by category, because this is going to be the best way to show you. We want it A to Z, and we click OK. You can see now it's put all the art, all the furniture, all the stationery. All right, so let's take stationery here. We got 500, 1,200, 250, and 1,250. So let's select this all. Let's sort again. We've already got the category. Let's add a level. Let's say we're creating a report where we want all our furniture to be as well in what the sales were. In other words, we want the lowest to highest or highest to lowest. So we add a level. We've already sorted by category here. Remember stationery, it's 500, 1 to 250, 1 to 50. So now we're going to go to sales, which is our column header, values, smallest to largest. If you click these, you can also go largest to smallest or custom list. For now, we're just sticking to the basics. So let's go smallest to largest. So now we've got two levels for Excel to sort by. We click OK. Now what's happened? Let's have a look. We're back to stationery. You can see it's 250, 500, 1, 2, and 1 to 50. So you can sort by multiple levels as well, which comes in very handy. That's the basics of sort. We're going to leave it there for now. We're going to go over to filter now. And we know filtering allows you to hide data temporarily. So let's try this. Let's click here. Let's click on this filter button right next to the sort button on your data tab. Click filter, and you'll see it has little pins or drop down menus that come down. So let's go ahead and click on one. So let's click on category. It pops up with another box, and you can see right here at the bottom, it's got select all, art, furniture, stationery. It's also got sort by color. That we'll go into at a later stage. It's also got text filters, which we'll go into at a later stage. But for now, we're interested in this section. Yeah. So let's check this box that says select all. Takes all the arrows away. And let's say we only want to see art and stationery. So we check those boxes and we click OK. Now you can see filters filtering out all the stuff that is not art or stationery. So therefore we can draw a report, or we can get to just the art if we need to do a report on that. Or if we just want to present something, we just can filter that way. So let's go back to our sort, to our filter drop down, select all, let's unselect it again, and let's just do furniture. There we go. Now you can only see your furniture. In Excel, if you double click on the function, it will take it back to its original state. So I double clicked on filter and you saw everything comes back. So let's take this filter off by clicking again, and now the filter has disappeared. And that's sorting and filtering. Remember, you're not changing the data, you're just controlling what you see. So in the next video, we'll introduce you to one of the most powerful and useful formulas in Excel, the if function. Remember, download the Excel starter sheet, Excel for Work workbook in the link description below. And I'll see you in video 8.